gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, click the subscribe button. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday. And speaking of that, I also do have a Patreon where I upload 2 extra videos on there every single month. So I will have that link down below for you guys if you want to come join and support my channel. But today I am so excited. Long story short, my fiance and I moved into this house last year, a few days before Christmas. So we had absolutely no furniture and no Christmas decor. So we wanted to go all out. We picked up a bunch of Christmas decor, which if you haven't seen my Christmas decor haul, I will link it above and have it down below for you guys. And we went ahead and decorated the house with all of the decor. So I'm so excited to share with you everything. We also went ahead and picked up a couple new things that you guys didn't see if you did watch that video. I'm just gonna be sharing the parts that I decorated. So I currently don't have any decor or anything upstairs, mainly just in the main parts of the house. So where I am right now, in the kitchen a little bit, in the front. So I'll go ahead and share with you everything, of course. Let me know what is on your Christmas wish list this year. I'm curious to know, and they're also just really great ideas to give for others, for gifts. With that being said, let's just jump right into the Christmas tour. Starting first with my favorite room, of course, which is the family room. So this, as you can see, is where the tree is all set up. So I'm just gonna share with you all of the little decor pieces I have in this room. And I'll also share with you where I ended up getting all my ornaments. I picked up a few more things since I did that Christmas haul. So I wanna share with you where I found everything to complete my tree. And then we'll move on to the rest of the house where we have a bunch more stuff. If I can, I will try to get a clip in of my house at night because that's when everything is lit up. And right now, currently it is still really bright outside. I tried even turning on the light on my coffee table there, but it just doesn't do justice at night. It's just such a vibe. And I don't even know if the camera will still pick it up as good as it looks in person, but we will see. At nighttime, I will definitely have to try to do that. We'll begin first with the Christmas tree, my favorite part. I was so excited to be able to pick up a Christmas tree. We decided to put it into our family room just because we're here all the time, and we ended up going with a 9-foot Christmas tree. Like I said, I talked a lot about this in my haul, but if you haven't seen it, I'm still gonna share where I ended up getting everything. I did pick up my tree from Home Depot. It is the tree with the snow on it, and it's pre-lit with 500 warm lights on it. I'm gonna share with you now where I ended up getting everything that's on the tree. I also forgot to mention before I get into the details of what's on the tree, if you guys didn't know, which I guess you guys will be able to tell, my theme this year for my house when it comes to Christmas and the decor is just winter wonderland vibes. I love whites and silvers and just snow and fluffiness and all of that. But that is what I was going for when it came to the decor and even the Christmas tree and how I styled that as well and decorated it. In the Christmas tree, we have a mixture of different sized balls. These normal kind of typical sized ones, there's like a silver one. We have also really sparkly ones. They're mainly all silver, white, and kind of like gray. These came in a box that I picked up from HomeSense, which I shared in my haul. They were 100 shatterproof ornaments, and they were just kind of the base of the Christmas tree. The bigger balls that you will start seeing, like this huge white one with the sparkles on them, as well as this kind of like light gray white one. We also have this medium-sized one. So it's not as big as the ones I just showed you, but they're a good medium size. Some of the other ones which are more behind the tree, there's this like glitter silver one. We also have this kind of white textured big ball. I love the style of big ornaments this year, and I picked all of those up from Michael's. We even have one right at the top there, which I don't know if you guys see, but I'll zoom in. This was also part of the package at Michael's. I bought 2 different sets. Of course, the huge ones came in one set and the medium sized ones came in another set, and Michael's was doing really good deals. They were doing 50% off all their Christmas stuff for Black Friday and stuff, so I totally recommend checking out Michael's. And then speaking of Michael's, we bought our tree collar from there, so don't mind the back over there with all of the wires. It's kind of a mess trying to figure out how to hide that properly, but I'm in love with this color. It was so hard to find one this year that was actually affordable because some of them were ridiculously priced. This one is the 27-inch. Because I have a 9-foot tree, I had to get the bigger color because I do have a size smaller. So if you have a smaller tree, I would recommend going for the other color. And this color was $35 on sale. It was half off. And then the other one, which was smaller, was $25 on sale from $50. So they have a bunch of different colors at Michael's, but I really like the silver to match the theme. The only thing I'll say about this is it's kind of a hassle to put together. People even wrote that on reviews. It didn't take too long, and once you got it together, like, it just looks stunning, and it was so good for the price because I was seeing colors online for like $200 and I just did not want to spend that. So this, it just made the tree and everything come together. Now moving on to the fireplace. Of course, this is where the stockings are hanging. So we just have two. We just have the stocking holder from Home Depot, and our stockings are from Winners, and they're just white and fluffy, and they actually light up. You can turn it on and there's lights inside. And then we have the same thing over on this side, just the matte black Christmas tree, stocking holder, and then the stocking hanging down. And if you guys are wondering, these are like extra ornaments we're gonna put into the tree, although, you know, they're like the cute sentimental ornaments I have. So this one my mom gave for Nicholas and I, and it just says our first Christmas together. And this ornament was the first ornament I actually gave Nick, and it was from 2017. That is the year we started dating, and this was our first Christmas together. Over on this side, I have two other ones that I want to put on the tree. This one my mom and dad gave for Nicholas and I, and it says we are engaged. And then this one my best friend Jessica and Michael gave Nicholas and I. This one, once we got engaged. These definitely match the Winter Wonderland theme, but I am going to put the more sentimental ones also on the tree. But right now the tree is just very aesthetic. It's just very like simplistic, which I really love as well. Then we're gonna go down below. Over on that side, we have Mr. Reindeer. He's really cute. We picked that up from HomeSense, and then we also picked these up from HomeSense as well. And I actually found similar ones. They were selling them at Pier 1, but these are super nice. They are so soft, and on the back of them, they're just hollow. They're faux presents, more for decor, of course, but it just really matched the theme of everything. And then of course on our coffee table, we just set up a few things. So I have this like kind of like silver wreath thing, and honestly I picked this up from the dollar store. These are just so great to put a candle in the middle, and this candle we got from HomeSense or Winners. They have them everywhere at Winners, Marshalls, HomeSense, and this just says merry and bright, but it smells like a Christmas tree, which is what we were going for. It can just smell like we have a real Christmas tree in the house. And then over on here is our little decor Christmas tree that my mom gave me and picked up from Winners. Lastly, in this room are just little scent things. This is just a diffuser that's supposed to be like a Christmas sweater kind of material. And this smells exactly like this actually, which is just a Winter Wonderland room spray. And this once again just gives you Christmas smelling vibes. So I like to switch out my diffusers for the seasons as well, and my scents too. So it just kind of smells like winter and Christmas in here. It is low-key really feeling like Christmas because this was our first like real snowfall in Toronto, and it is currently all snowy. The trees have the snow on them. Seeing this from the kitchen, it just gives you all of the vibes, and it just looks so beautiful and pretty when the trees have all the snow on them, although your girl does not like the cold. But moving on to the kitchen table, we don't have much, but we do have another one of those light up Christmas trees that my mom gave to Nick and I from Winners. Now that I am in the kitchen and I shared with you what was on my kitchen table, I'm gonna share with you the rest of the decor in my kitchen that I have laid out, and then we will move on to more of the front of the house. We do have a couple of lights that I'm going to show you, of course, when it gets darker out. You'll see all of that. But let's move on to the kitchen island. I really like to change up my center kind of peace area on the island, as you guys will see right now. This is what I have going on so far. I'm sure it might change throughout the month because I'm very indecisive. But right here, I just have this Xmas tray. These actually all come out and you can wash them, and they're just really great for little appetizers. This is from Michael's, and for some reason, it reminded me of that Anthropologie really expensive candles. So I decided to pick this up. It was on sale 50% off because this is still part of their Christmas line, and it smells exactly like Christmas cookies. It is very sweet and very like bakery scent, but I love the way it looked, and I also just love the smell as well whenever I kind of want a sweet scent. So it smells like I baked all day long. I still have this out on there, of course, because I just love it, and I want to put like little Christmas cookies on there in there eventually. And then over on here is another little decor. So this is just an acorn with snow, and then there's snow on the bottom. Looks like it's just a display, but it's a candle. I definitely don't want to burn it though. I just like the way this looks as decor. I just feel like if I start burning it, then the acorn is just gonna look horrible. So I'm too scared to light it up, but it has some sparkles too on the bottom here, and the snow is just really cute and pretty. It just looked really realistic. At first, I didn't even realize that it was a candle. I thought this matched the winter Wonderland kind of vibe, so I have this over on here. Over here, of course, I needed to change the little dish towels out. So I picked these up, I believe, from Marshall's. They just say ho 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 with Santa's little beard, which I thought was so cute. And then of course I have the other one over on here. I'm probably eventually gonna put one of them in the bathroom or something, but I just think the little Santa face is so cute, and it just has the little silver glitter on the bottom of the hand towels as well. Nothing really special, but I did go ahead and change out my soap. This is really cute because in the inside it's just a bunch of snowmen, and this scent is peppermint, I believe. Yes, peppermint frost, so it's super festive, smells really good, and I picked this up from Winners. I'm just gonna have that out, of course, for the Christmas season. Now I'm gonna start heading through that doorway, and then you see the little wreath. I'm gonna share with you that, and then we're gonna go to the front of the house. Oh, and before I forget, actually, over on the stairs, we actually have lights. My fiance went ahead and wrapped it all around. So as you can see, there's lights going all the way up. And then on these ones, there's lights going here as well. And then this one has the lights all over on the spindles and the railings. So this looks really nice at night. And we also did wrap around the pole, but we didn't realize until after it was wrapped that these lights are a different color. We thought they were the same. So these lights over here are warm lights, while these are more of like that light blue kind of light. So I think I am gonna return this because I just like having the coloring the same. But I will share with you guys the stairs too at nighttime, so you can see what it looks like when it's dark out. But I just really wanted to put something for the stairs, and I love having anything that lights up. Now I'm gonna move on to the wreath. So this is actually the door into the bathroom. And I really like this because you can see this from the kitchen. Our house is very open space where the kitchen and family room is. So this is really nice because I'm constantly seeing this. And I love it because it sticks with the theme. It has the faux snow, and then it's all fluffy all around like those gift presents. This was from HomeSense, and I just thought it looked really unique and different for a wreath. And then it just has, of course, the little ornaments. Then here, before you walk into the kitchen, we just have our little painting there. And then I put a smaller tree here that I found from HomeSense, of course. The theme pretty much is HomeSense, Home Depot, Marshall's, Winners is where I really got everything, and Michael's, of course. It really fits the theme with the white fluffiness. Actually, once we have it on, you can also see it from outside because of our windows, so I thought that was really nice. Whenever we have guests going to the bathroom, they always see the tree. So I really liked having it in this little corner. It just gave it something because I feel like it was a little bit empty. Now moving on to the front of the house, which is the last part that we decorated so far in the house. This is what it looks like. This is, of course, where our console table is, and we just switched everything out. out and started putting more Christmas decor. On the bottom here, these are just 2 trees that we picked up at the dollar store. And this is the trees that we had laying out last year because we had absolutely no furniture, no Christmas decor. Kind of like it on the bottom there. And then over on this side, we just have some more decor. This Christmas candle glass decor, and these also are from my mom. She picked them up from Winners, and when you turn them on, they light up and they have little star cutouts. They go like all over the wall, which is really cute. Here is just our bowl kind of thing that we always have and currently have face masks in because 2020, 2021 problems. We just kept this here because that's just where we put that, and it kind of fits with the theme anyways because it's white. And then over here, my little guy here, my nutcracker, Winter Wonderland nutcracker we have, and then we have our little plant with the pot that has the snowflakes. These are also from HomeSense. I love this guy. I think he's so detailed and just really fits the theme as well. I feel like you always need a nutcracker. And then of course we just have our diffuser still here because it was always here, and I just like to have some scent so when people come in, the whole house just kind of smells good. This planter is really nice as well because it does have the little faux snow on the branches and the acorns, and then it also does have little ornaments. So everything just ties together really well. And then outside, actually on our railings there, we put lights all the way going down. So at night it just lights up and it looks super beautiful. I'll share with you it as well at nighttime so you guys can see a closer look of everything. It is now darker outside, so I went ahead and turned on all the different lights, and this is how the room is looking. This is how the stockings look like when turned on. So they just light up from the front. Walking over here is what the staircase looks like at nighttime with the lights turned on. We did go ahead and remove the pole lights just because, like I was telling you guys, they were different colored lights. So I just preferred personally to try and find the same color lights, and hopefully we can put it up the pole as well. But I really love how the lights turned out, and the lights go all the way to the top. And then over here is the other Christmas tree, and it's the exact same as the one on the coffee table. Here, of course, in the corner is that smaller Christmas tree. And then over here are the little Santas, and as you can see now that they're turned on, there's little stars on the wall, which I think is really cute. Favorite parts are the stairs outside. So this is what it looks like turned on. I'll go there and kind of give you guys a close-up of what they really look like too. For my home tour Christmas edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun decorating this year and getting into the spirit already. Thumbs it up if you liked it. It really helps me out. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday. And also, like I said, I will have my Patreon down below. So if you want to join and support my channel, that would mean so much to me. I do post on there 2 extra videos that don't go on my YouTube, of course, every single month. I hope you guys have an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!